I used the M18 Fuel 6-inch grinder and I got into it with it and it held up.
It had more than enough power to do the work you got to do, and it's fast.
It's above and beyond any other tool I've used.
When I first grabbed the grinder, I found that it had plenty of power.
It's got torque. You can sit on it, and it doesn't slow down. It just gets deeper and deeper on it. And for cutting, it does the same thing. You cut through anything you want.
The rapid stop brake is nice because when you do shut the tool off, the wheel isn't spinning, so it's a lot safer.
It stops sooner, so I can put it down sooner than I normally would with a regular corded grinder.
The comparison between the 4-inch grinders of old and the new 6-inch that Milwaukee has, it's night and day.
You can cut through thicker material, and sometimes that's absolutely necessary. Red lithium high output batteries have a ton of power. They last all day, and you don't have to keep switching them out.
It's nice to have that one battery that can power all the tools that I need.
The M18 6-inch grinder will do everything that needs to be done.
The M18 Fuel 6-inch grinders are the best grinders that I've ever used. If you can just have one tool to put in your toolbox and you're in the metal fabricating industry, that's the one I would pick.